Hey everyone, so is your Xero Bank feed not working? Maybe transactions aren't importing or the connection to your bank is failing. That can be really frustrating, especially if you rely on it to keep your accounts up to date. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Xero Bank feed issues in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, check your bank feed status in Xero, go to the bank account settings, and see if the feed is connected, or if there's an alert from your bank. If the feed shows as disconnected, try reconnecting it. Follow the prompts to log in to your bank and authorize the connection again. Make sure your bank login credentials are correct and active. Sometimes outdated or locked credentials prevent the feed from syncing. Old cache or cookies can sometimes block Xero from fetching your bank feed. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then refresh Xero. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Xero may block certain connections, which can prevent the bank feed from updating. Sometimes the problem is on the bank side. Reach out to your bank to make sure online banking or the connection to Xero is active. If none of the above works, contact Xero support. They can help troubleshoot your account and bank feed connection. And that's it. Most Xero Bank feed problems can be fixed by checking your bank connection, reconnecting the feed, or clearing your browser cache. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.